Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your paid workup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click on apps, then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for paid workup, or just click on search. Then here add paid workup, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just click on full stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, then you click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then you search here for Paidwork, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.